Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you most unique and amazing ideas of crochet table runners. You will see different types of patterns in this video. Patchwork patterns are included and you will see different other patterns. Zigzag patterns are also included. Different types of designs are included in this video as you can see, and you will see laced oily patterns as well, like this one. So all different types of ideas are included in this single video, and you will find all different types of ideas with different contrasting color schemes used in them, and their patterns are also different from each other. My personal favorite is this one, made with two contrasting color schemes, and rings are used on which a double crochet and chain one pattern is made in semicircle shape, and then contrasting colors of shell stitch borders are made in a larger amount to complement the contrast as well. So all different types of ideas are available in this video. You will find simple rectangular pieces having just one row repeat pattern, and you will see patchwork patterns having different types of border edging designs. You will see this type of spiral designs as well in this video. So almost all different types of patterns are included in this video, so just watch it till the end to get all ideas, because all of these ideas are really unique and attractive, and most of them are made with two different contrasting color schemes which are looking really attractive and gorgeous as well. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like most of these designs, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future updates from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of handmade products ideas which are related to macrame work, crochet work, hand knitted projects ideas are available, crafting related ideas are available, and all these ideas are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and are related to home decoration products. So you will find huge variety of all types of handmade products, either wearable accessories or home decoration products. All types of ideas are available, and other than these kinds of ideas videos, I do upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel as well. Some of the designs which I have included in this video, tutorial videos of them are also available on my channel. I have tutorial videos of many coasters, doilies, square pieces and round pieces, which then can be converted into these beautiful table runners. So that's up to you. You can make them with the help of those tutorial videos, and do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing more designs. Thank you for watching. Bye.